Dad, I think we're here. Look.
Oh, let's go check it out. Whoa, we're at Ryan's house. Backpack. That's Ryan's backpack.
Whoa, he's a lot of notebooks.
That is his lunch. That's his look.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors. Dad.
Huh? What? What's going on, Tiger? How's summer school?
Good.
Good.
My backpack.
What happened to your backpack?
I found a secret portal to Ryan's house.
What?
Yes.
You found a secret portal to Ryan's house in your backpack?
Yeah.
All right, let's grab a seat right there in the shade. Come on, let's go in the shade. Was it a long ride from school?
Yeah.
How was summer school? Did the kid? You had a lot of fun with the kid?
Yeah.
You did? Okay. So there's a secret portal in here?
Yeah. Look, Dad, I see.
What do you see? Can you look again?
I see Ryan's house.
What? Are we going to Ryan's house again?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go in. Let's go and check. Okay, here you go.
Wanna go?
Oh, it's dark in there. Whoa. Oh, wow, it's dark in there. Oh, let's go. Uh-oh, we're going. Whoa. Tiger, I think we're here.
Me too.
Huh? How are you in a chair, Tiger? Oh, Ryan's closet got a chair? Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, shh, peek outside first. See him, it's right here. Peek outside.
Dad, I think we're here. Look.
Oh, let's go check it out. Whoa, we're at Ryan's house. Whoa, Tiger, don't go upstairs yet. Let's go check out the room first. Come on. Whoa, look at Ryan's room. He got a restroom here too. Wow, look.
Wow.
Restroom. He got this restroom. Wow. Whose bed is this? Wow. Look at this. Wow. This is a big room.
Bye, Dad.
Tiger, where you at? Where you go, Tiger? Where you go, baby Seth? Hi, baby Seth. How you doing? Oh, where's Big Brother? I don't see Big Brother. Where'd he go? Where? I don't see him. There's.
You wanna know something, Dad?
What?
I went through here and magic went through here.
Wow.
Because there's a wall there.
Yeah, let's go. Wow, that's a nice room. Wow. Yeah. Whoa, what is this? What's this door here? Let's check the door here. Yeah. Oh, it's locked. Huh? Ryan locked it.
I think this is a secret room.
No, Ryan locked it. Wow, look at the kitchen. Wow, Tiger. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Let's see what's in the refrigerator, Tiger.
Please, wash your fingers.
Okay. It is more water. Wow, look at the kitchen. Look at that big cooker.
Dad, how many water does he need?
You need a lot of water.
Ooh, ice.
Oh, don't play with ice, Tiger.
Hi,
Hi, baby Seth.
Hi.
Hi, baby Seth. Hi, baby Seth. Oh, ice. Oh, it's cold, Tiger. Come on, check it out. Whoa, look at it. Whoa, look at it. He got a game. Look, Ryan got a game.
Wait, I know.
Wow, what is it? This is football. Right there's the ball.
But it's not gonna get it.
Go get it, Ty, get it. You got it. Wow, there's a big. Oh, we got a secret door here, Tiger. Look, Tiger, look at this door. Secret door here. Tiger, oh, he got good. Oh, this is where he hang out. Look, Tiger, this is where he play tennis. Tiger, look. Look, I found Ryan's tennis rack. See? Come here, check it out. See, Ryan's tennis rack right there. Look, that's his. Right there, his tennis rack. See it?
I know.
Hold it. I see it. That's a good one.
Which one?
Right there, tennis racket right there. Yeah. Wow, look at that. We found Ryan's tennis racket. Wow. Let's see you swing. Swing. Yeah, that's how you swing. Wow, okay. Oh, Ryan's backpack. That's Ryan's backpack.
Wow, he's a lot of notebooks.
That is his lunch. That's his look. That's Ryan's backpack and his lunch pail and stuff. Look. See it, Ryan?
I can't put it back.
There you go. Yeah. Whoa.
I still have the ice.
What you got ice for? Whoa, what's in the secret box up there, Tiger? What's in the secret box? I wonder what's in there. Oh, yeah, no. What is in here? Let's open the Tiger. Let's see what's inside of it.
But how do we open it?
Open it. What's in it? Is it heavy?
No, but it is light.
Let's see. Oh, what is that? Oh, baby chef, you found Ryan's.
Wait, what's in here? Another mystery.
Okay, kids, we're at Ryan's pants room, master bedroom. This is how big their master bedroom is. Look at that. Wow.
Wow. Time to go next room.
Let's check out the next room.
Wow.
Wow, this is the entertainment room.
Dad?
Wow, they got gender. Wow. No, don't play. Come on, Ryan, get mad. Ryan might know that you were here.
Smell.
Yeah. Wow, look at. Oh, look.
Wait, I heard something.
What?
I heard something.
Let's go. We gotta go. Go. No. That's the wrong way. This way. We go back. We go. They're coming. Let's go. Go. I hear a voice. Go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Yeah, we gotta go. Okay, where came out from? This way? That way? Okay. This way, Tiger? Oh, no, this is the wrong way. No. This one. This is this one?
No.
No? Okay, then. Oh, yeah, we came from the restroom. Let's go. Go. Whoa. Okay. Tiger, I think we're home.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Whoa. All right, we made it. Yeah, we made it home. High five. We went inside the backpack and went to Ryan's house. Look at that. What kind of backpack is this? This is a magic backpack. Whoa, Roblox. I didn't know it was a Roblox backpack. Wow, it took us to Ryan's house. That's awesome.
No, right?
Did you hear Ryan coming?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard. That's why we had to go, you know.
Wait a second. Where's my stuff?
What happened to your school stuff? Oh, you left it at Ryan's house. Oh, you left it at Ryan's house.
Now I don't have my homework.
You know what? We should go back the next video.
Yeah,
Okay.
to get my homework.
Yeah, we left Tiger homework at Ryan's house from summer school. Look at that, all empty now. Oh, all right. That guy got go and fix the bike, and oh, you know what? You ride a scooter, I'll ride a bike. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's put your backpack in. Let's go. Grab your scooter. I'll grab my bike. I just fixed the brake on the bike. See, the bike had a problem here. I just fixed it. Okay, ready? You wanna go first?
Yeah.
Okay, you go
Let's
first.
have a race.
Okay, you go first. Let's go. We made it home! Yay! Okay, let's go. Wanna race? Right here. There's the line. Ready? Are you ready? Countdown. Go. Countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! Tiger is the winner. Woo! What happened? Oh, you did a mark? Whew. Okay, Tiger. Tiger, come on. I'll race you uphill this time. Okay? But you gotta say something first. You gotta say something first, Tiger.
What?
Okay? You gotta say something first. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
What you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Tigerbox
HD SuperBaby Color.
SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like and subscribe.